You ready? Come on.
Yeah, it is.
We can run downstairs and shit, back another shit.
He's baiting him. He's baiting him. Nice high guard. Posture.
Oh, you got to see that. You got out of his half and got the 2 points.
415.
I couldn't get past like that. Yeah. Right here. Right here, bro.
Nice corn.
Double off bar sitting right there.
You gotta get your posture. You're gonna give it. You're slowly gonna give. You're gonna slowly give him a triangle. You gotta get your posture up. Because your base has to be flat, and your posture gotta come up. Your hands gotta go to his thigh. I mean to his
hips,
to his ass, to his lower ass.
Nice. Good job, Ryan. Keep finding those hands. Keep building your posture. Posture's down.
Posture up, though.
Posture's down.
That's not where you want to be. Use your hands to posture up.
Way to play your game, Corn. 3 minutes. 3:15.
I'm going to stand you guys up. I need aggression.
3 minutes.
Nice. Good reset. The Gator roll is there, but if you take his back, block an arm. Oh. His head seems loose. Yeah, his head's loose. His head's loose. Control the wrist. No, control the wrist. Control the wrist, Corn, and then free when you can. Yeah, just watch his wrist.
You ready to shift?
Nice, Corn. Good. Good inverted. Good inverted. Take a leg. Good job, Corn. It might be there. Tight grip. Nice. Good, good. Good transition. 1 minute 40. 1 minute 40.
Ryan, hold your other thigh. Get out of here.
Slowly break it, Corn. Gotta get his hand out. Good posture. Good posture, Ryan.
We'll make it comfortable for him, Ryan. Put your weight on him.
Nice, Ryan.
Face him, Ryan. Get your elbow back there on top of his thigh, Ryan. Yeah, face him.
Grab the lat. Grab the lat.
Back take might be there. 1 minute 10.
1 minute.
His guard's open, all right. You need something, Ryan. 50 seconds, Ryan. You need something. 45, Ryan.
You're past the arm. Take it back. Take it back.
35 seconds. You need something, Ryan.
Hey, Carlos. Carlos.
Never mind.
Nice positioning, Corn. 20 seconds.
I don't know if the score is just so you better score.
Or submission. 15.
You would.
Watch your hand. 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Finish that, finish that, finish it.
1. Time.
Nice.
Match, bro.
Good job.